Hello and namaste. Welcome back to Surbhi's Castle. It's a festive season and without meetha, it is not complete. So today we are going to make Rasmalai. Firstly, let's prepare masala milk for Rasmalai. For this, take 1 liter milk. Boil the milk in medium flame. Add almonds, pistachios, cassis, cardamom powder, 1 cup sugar. Keep stirring. Scratch out all the malai and mix it in the milk. Add little bit of yellow color. Boil for 5 minutes. Let's turn, transfer it into the bowl. The consistency of the milk should be thin. Now take 1 liter milk. Bring it to a boil. Off the flame. In 1/4 cup water, add 2 tablespoons vinegar. Gradually add the solution to curdle the milk. Stir until it separates from the whey. Collect the milk solids in a muslin cloth. Rinse with water to remove the sourness of the vinegar. Squeeze it properly, only little moisture should be there. Our chenna is ready. In a flat vessel, we have to cream the chenna very well so that the grainy texture turns into soft and creamy texture. I am kneading it with the lower part of the palm. Do this process until you get the creamy texture. You can see the smooth dough is ready. It has also started leaving oil. At this stage, add 1 tablespoon of corn flour. It will soak the extra moisture. Again knead it for 2 minutes. Take a small portion of it, make a ball and press it lightly between the palms. For sugar syrup, take 1 cup sugar, 4 cups water. Mix it until all the sugar crystals are dissolved and comes to boil. We don't have to make it thick. Add all the chenna tikkis to it. After 2 minutes, cover the lid and cook it for 12 minutes in medium-high flame. Let it cool down. Squeeze out all the extra syrup and put it in our masala milk. Keep it in fridge for at least 3 hours so that tikki soak milk and become juicy. Rasmalai is ready.